I've tried pretty much everything under the sun when it comes to making money online. Affiliate marketing, drop shipping, social media marketing agency, reselling on Amazon and eBay, and private label, all these different things, right? And I never really actually succeeded with any of them. And now that I actually do make money online, the biggest thing that I've come to realize is I didn't actually have the skill sets to do these things. And I never really focused on one skill set. Like if you think about social media marketing, for example, there's a lot of different things that go into being successful there. You have to learn how to actually run the ads and do the marketing and fulfill for your clients, right? You also have to learn how to brand yourself and get leads for yourself. You also have to learn how to sell. And then when you actually bring in clients, you got to make sure that you're staying on top of them. You know how to keep them happy and managing the customer relationships and all that stuff. And there's a lot that goes into these things that most people just completely overlook. And when you're going into these business models with no experience and you have so many different things to learn, of course the odds are going to be stacked against you. So why not just pull back and focus on one thing, one skill set, not 10 different things that you got to learn, 10 different skill sets. Focus on one skill set and get really good at that skill set. And that's exactly what I've done over the last year, year and a half that has actually allowed me to make money now. And the number one skill set that I believe is going to be the most foundational, the most important, and the quickest and easiest way for you to make money online or just in general is going to be sales. Now, I'm not saying sales is easy, and I'm not saying it's going to be quick. I'm not saying it's some get rich quick scheme like most people online make it out to be. But when it really comes down to learning something that is going to move the needle for you as quick as possible, sales is, in my opinion, going to be that thing. Because if you really think about it, like let's say you get really good at marketing, like you're super good at running Facebook ads. Okay. Now what? Now you got to go out there and actually sell your services. Like you're not going to make money until you're able to actually sell them. Same thing with any other skill set. Let's say like you're an incredible social media manager. Okay. You got to learn how to actually sell the service, right? You're not going to be able to make money until you have that skill set of sales. And when you learn sales and when you know sales, you could take that, go to any company, start making money pretty quickly. And the coolest thing about sales is like you can learn sales on somebody else's dime. To actually learn the skill set while you're selling for another company. It's their marketing spend. They're providing you the leads. And you're just taking those calls, building up your skill set, and making money at the same time. It's pretty much a no-brainer. Even if you're, let's say, like you have a business or you have a corporate job and you want to get into the entrepreneurial space. At this point, I wouldn't suggest that somebody just goes out and starts some business because there's a lot of different things to learn. Once again, it's like the odds are going to be stacked in your favor unless you have a skill set, unless you're like just naturally or you have a great background in marketing, then okay, then you already have a leg up. But the thing is, like when you have that skill set in sales, you're going to have that leg up in anything that you do, even in like your personal life, just talking to people, communicating with your friends, family, your spouse, the coffee barista, right? It's like when you're able to actually effectively communicate with people, have great conversations, ask great questions, that alone is going to change your life a lot in ways that you wouldn't even imagine. But really, when it comes to making money online and getting to, let's say, your first $10,000 a month, you learn the skill of sales. You can do that on somebody else's dime. And that's a skill that can take you anywhere. You can go into any business and make money. I just wanted to put it out there. After being someone who's tried all these different things, like most people out there, you got to look at it from a different lens, not just what's going to be the easiest or most or the best business model to start, but what are the skill sets that I need to actually be able to succeed in anything that it is that I want to do. And sales is the one thing that can transfer into any part of your life, any business, any career. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe.